how much money would it take to purchase the whole region of country of Jackson County? And it said the median
There's
price,
no way this is going to be accurate. This cannot be accurate at all.
the median price per acre is approximately $25,000.
Okay.
Sounds reasonable.
Yeah, I was going to say, that's actually not bad. That's a pretty good deal.
In urban areas, it can average around $22,000 per acre. Rural, $43,000 per acre. For a general estimate, we'll use $25,000 per acre. So for 386,000 acres, it would be approximately $10 billion.
Oh.
It's doable.
I was going to say, this is within the realm.
So I said, and surrounding areas, right? Whole region. And said, okay, including Jackson, Sass, Clay, and Lafayette County, it puts it up to $32 billion.
Still within the realm of possibility. Okay.
It is doable.
Sure. Not sure the feds would be okay. They probably would step in and say, wait a minute now. What's going on here? But it is doable, actually. I'm all for starting a petition. GoFundMe. Let's get this going.
We got to do it like Walt Disney did and just shell corporations.
Yeah, that's right. Well, I'm sure the church sets a lot of those. In fact, I know they do have a lot of different entities set up because, well, for a lot of good reasons. That makes sense too.
Yeah, and you have to do it slowly because if people catch wind you're doing it, they'll up the price.
Mm-hmm.
So you gotta be real.
There's no doubt.
You gotta be real
sly about it.
Yeah, real sly about how you do it. They might have already done it.
We're just not aware yet.
Yeah, they just haven't done all the renovation and turned it into Zion yet. I know. See, when President Nelson gets up there and he's like, the greatest blessings are coming in the coming years, and he's got that twinkle in his eye, like they know so much more than they're letting on. In order for him to have that twinkle in his eye when he's saying those kind of things, that it's all in motion already. Like there ain't no stopping it. Like they're so far ahead. Like that's my feeling though. When I see that twinkle in his eye, it's like, just tell us already. All right, here's a cool one. So this time about those who are the elect who will receive those eternal blessings. They shall be crowned with blessings from above, yea, and with commandments, not a few, and with revelations in their time, that they are faithful and diligent before me. So that really interesting phrasing. And this is out of the Come Follow Me manual. Like they pointed this out. But it's saying, if you add some ellipses in there, basically it says, and they shall also be crowned with commandments. It's a really interesting idea. Like that the laws that we receive, the spiritual laws, the covenants we enter into, those laws, those commandments we receive is the crown of glory that we're being given. We're being instructed on how to govern in a celestial way, on how to be a ruler, a king in the kingdom of God, and manage a society, a kingdom, in a way that's consistent with how the Lord would do it. So that knowledge of celestial laws or heavenly laws, right, that is essentially an endowment of glory. And it's really easy to go to the temple and focus on all the beautiful symbolism and let the symbolism take your mind to many different places. That's certainly a mechanism of revelation. But one of the great pieces of our endowment is that we're given knowledge of celestial society, of celestial laws, and the manner in which celestial beings live and behave. Thank you for watching. If you found this content spiritually enlightening, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Like the gospel, these little things make all the difference, and it helps the algorithm push out better content for everyone to enjoy on YouTube.